Let's talk about Sydney. Sydney is the largest city in Australia. The Sydney Opera House is one of the most famous buildings in the world. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is a large steel arch bridge. Visitors can climb to the top to see the city. Bondi Beach is a famous beach in Australia. It is popular for swimming and surfing. Sydney's summers are hot and dry. Winters are mild and comfortable. Australia is home to many unique animals. You might see kangaroos, koalas, and parrots near the city. Sydney has a large and diverse population. People from many countries live and work here. The city center has tall skyscrapers, busy shopping streets, and outdoor markets. Sydney has a good public transport system. Trains, buses, and ferries connect the city. Australian food is influenced by many cultures. Barbecues, fresh seafood, and meat pies are popular. English is spoken in Sydney, but many other languages are too. It is a truly multicultural city. The Blue Mountains are just outside the city. There are beautiful valleys and waterfalls. Sydney is often sunny and bright. Outdoor life is important to the people of the city. Sydney is a modern, open, and friendly city. It is easy to see why so many people love to visit.